Hello everyone. Google Maps is one of the most popular apps on both Android and iOS with over 10 billion downloads on Google Play and the same on the App Store. Have you ever wondered how Google makes money from Google Maps? We all use Google Maps to go to our destinations, check traffic and many other things. The service provided by Google Maps are better than any other map application in the market. There's a saying, if you're not paying for the product, you are the product. So subscribe to What Next for the amazing contents that helps me to grow my channel on YouTube. Now, if you have subscribed to my channel, let's start. In 2015, when the Google Map was launched, the Google was not making a penny from Google Map. Users used to come and search the places or locations on Google Map website or Google Map app. It was that simple. But now, Google generates revenue of more than $5 billion every year from Google Maps. Most of the revenue comes from the API. If you don't know what API is, it's like giving your service to other software to integrate and provide that service. Google Maps gives its services to companies like Uber, Zomato, Swiggy. You will not believe, Uber paid Google Maps about $58 billion for using Google Map API for 2 years. Yes, that's a lot. And the second way is through ads, Google's primary source of income. Google earns up to $11 billion per year through ads on Google Map. But now, Google Earth is the biggest thing. So how Google will push and start earning from Google Earth? That's the story for some other video.